Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 5 ways to fill up an old journal. This is my journal from it's my old bullet journal, and I stopped using it and I have all this space left over, so I just wanted to share my ideas on how I will fill this out. I'll probably do other things too, but these are just 5 ways. So the first way is to write a list, and the second way is to doodle. The third is to create a pattern for something. The fourth is to cut or fold a page into something new. The fifth is to practice your handwriting. And then for the first one, I wrote the list can be anything, like a list of list ideas. So here's a list of list ideas: your favorite foods, your playlist, things you want to cook, bucket list, to-do lists, wish list, and the list goes on. And then I drew a smiley face for some reason and wrote a list of emojis, perhaps. So that's my first thing there. So now I'm drawing for the second one, doodling. So I'm just doodling. I doodled this cat, not really realistic, kind of sketchy, and not sketchy as in like evil, but sketchy as in a sketch. And then I drew a boba, and I wrote on it like a little sign, maybe like the store's name, that says "Okay Boba," because in my last video, I think it was my last video, I don't remember, or my video before my last video, I did my bullet journal setup, and on the front page I did a messed up boba, like the boba was coming out of the side of the cup because it's just like was like falling apart. Well, not falling apart, because I was falling asleep while I was doing it. Then I drew a giant eye. I like to draw eyes, but usually don't draw them so giant. It's like crazy big, and it's not even the shape I usually do. So I didn't do it like the best, but it's okay. So then I decided I would just double check if I still can draw eyes. So I drew a small eye, the size I usually draw, and it looks nice, I guess. And then I turned it into a face. Then I was like, wait, I don't want to have to draw the other eye of this person. So I like did a really imperfect box around what I had drawn, because I was like, I don't want to try and draw another perfect eye. And yeah, so that was my thing. And then of course I showed my what do I call it? My pattern. It's a pattern for like a bead thing, and at the end of this video I will show a picture of like the finalized pattern. Maybe if you know what I'm talking about, you can check it out. And now I'm moving on to my folding / cutting a page into something new. So I wanted to make this like fidget toy sort of thing. I'm not really like teaching you how. If you want to slow it down and try to figure it out, I'm not gonna like tell you how. I just was doing something, so I folded this page into a fidget thing. And my little sister, she taught me how to do this yesterday, like the yesterday of the day I recorded this and made the voiceover. So I just was kind of like, it's just really fun. Not exactly fun to make. It's not like hard to make either, but it's something. And so I made it, and I wrote on the first page, let me check, I wrote, "This is magic," I think. Check. So this is 4-page thingies. The first one I wrote, "This is magic," because I really think this is magic, because it's like really crazy. And then the second one is a cat face. And the third one is, "This is a drawing," because I was kind of getting lazy. So I just wrote, "This is a drawing," because it's a drawing. Then I just drew a bunch of hearts. So that's that. It's fun, I guess. And then I had to clean up that little mess. So then I just started practicing my handwriting. So this is like the end, I guess. This is my pattern for that bead thing I was talking about earlier. And now I'm just going through everything as I talk. So, thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. Hope this helps if you're like worried about wasting your journals. I know I have quite a few journals that I want to finish, but like some of them, like they are so old, the idea of finishing them and like actually using up like the 20 plus pages in the end is just kind of sad. I don't know why. Like I have this notebook from when I was in kindergarten, one of those like composition notebooks, and I can't finish it. It's just too sad for me, so I'm never going to. But this is pretty new, so I do want to use it up because I don't want to be wasteful. So anyways, bye. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like my stuff. Bye.